I'm Chef Alejandra Caguachi. I'm first of all a foodie. I love eating. I love Mexico, and I studied culinary arts. I'm a professional chef. I started cooking very young when I was 6 with my grandmas, and they made me help them on the kitchen. So I just grew up between flavors and aromas and a lot of food and parties and celebrations. And I just thought that having a business that could show exactly that to the people that are coming to Mexico would be amazing. So decided that culinary experiences would be a perfect way to show them the real traditions and flavors. I decided to do a business like this because I like to show the flavors and to show the traditions and show the best things about Mexico. So I thought that I could put together my expertise teaching cooking Mexican food with meeting new people and introducing our culture and making them fall in love with Mexico. Well, the COVID-19 relief program has given me the tools to build a better future and to know how to solve things and do things better on any crisis that could happen.